If you trade meme coins and are always losing money or are struggling to find profitable trades every day, this strategy is going to completely change how you trade meme coins. And you can start making money every day from this trading strategy. Smash a like and subscribe for more, and watch until the end to learn all the tips and tricks that you will need. You would see that right now, meme coins have really been dying. And the strategy that I'm going to be taking advantage of today is shorting meme coins. You can see these statistics that meme coins have actually been on a very strong decline. Out of a total of nearly 30,000 created meme coins, we've only had 162 migrations, or 162 coins that reach basically 50 to 60,000 in market cap. We've seen a huge decline in meme coins, but there's a way that we can take advantage of this. The strategy that I want to show you today is shorting meme coins, and the way that we can do this is you will need a centralized exchange. In today's video, I'm going to be using WEEX. They're a non-KYC crypto exchange, and they're currently offering up to $30,000 welcome bonus and $100 free if you link your phone number and email. So don't forget to check out the link in the video description for WEEX. The next thing that we want to do is actually find newly listed meme coins, because it's a very, very common pattern to see meme coins have 1 to 2 waves to the upside and then basically dump to zero. We can see this happening time and time again, and both of these meme coins right here were recently listed on WEEX, and we could have taken a really, really easy short. So let me show you how to do this. We'll first head over to weex.com. Then we'll click here on markets. Once we're in the market section, you'll see hot, gainers, and newly listed. So we'll click on more to see all of the newly listed meme coins, and we can see Bands is actually one of the newly listed meme coins. We had Jeff recently. We had 1649 AC, which these are the two meme coins that I just showed you. And if we actually come over to WEEX, we can see here that Jeff meme coin actually listed at 12 p.m. on the 15th of December. And when we come over to the chart and have a look exactly when that is on Dex Screener, this was right when the listing for Jeff happened on WEEX. We had one small pump to the upside, and then basically since there, we're down over 80%. So a really strong and easy trade to take advantage of. Very much the same we see here, 1649 AC, and we can come over to WEEX and see when it was listed. Here it was listed on the 12th of December at 9 a.m. And here we can see right on this candle was when we're listed on WEEX, and we've had a huge decline, basically down actually 99%, basically 100% from here. So what we see quite consistently is a few pumps to the upside to actually bring in a lot of liquidity now that they've listed on centralized exchanges, and then we see that huge pump to the downside. But how are we able to actually pick when is a good time to short? So I use a specific indicator for this. I actually use the MACD. And what I'm using on the MACD, so I'm actually going to come to the MACD, double click on the indicator, and actually want to get rid of the actual MACD line and the signal line. What I'm focusing on is this histogram. So you can see these green and red bars. Now we also will need to go down to a small enough time frame. Like here, the 15-minute doesn't actually give me enough data for this initial price right through here. So I will need to move down to a shorter time frame. For this, we'll move down to the 5-minute time frame. Once that loads, now we'll come over to the 5-minute. And what I'm focusing on is basically a divergence between the histograms. So what I'm focusing on right here is these major green bullish histograms. And what we do see is initially we see a really strong, as we see the histogram first forming, we see some strong buying. We see an initial sell-off, but then we see a push to new all-time highs, and we see a new all-time high on the MACD histogram. So this is really, really important because we haven't actually seen any of this price action yet. So we can actually, let's actually focus it like this. So if we were to trade this in live time, what we can see is price has made a new high and the MACD has also made a higher high. What we're now waiting for is a divergence between the price, where we see price come to a new all-time high, but the MACD actually makes a lower high. And let me show you this in real time. So as we move to the right, let's actually see we make a new higher high in price. So right through here, we make a new higher high in price. And look at this MACD histogram. When we actually zoom in and compare the highs of the last MACD histogram, we can see the high of the last MACD histogram lined up all the way here, whereas this high actually didn't get as high as the previous all-time high. And what that shows is, as much as price is going up, we actually have underlying weakness to show that there's not as much buying volume coming in. And that's when we look for a short, when we finally see a divergence between the price and between the MACD histogram. And you might be saying, well, John, how does that actually help me right now? Well, when we head over to WEEX, we check out their new listings, we can see that Bands is a new meme coin that just listed on WEEX. So this could be an opportunity that we can take advantage of. So let's actually head over to the chart. We can see this is the initial chart. Had an initial major spike to the upside, and we could be looking at a very similar pattern that I just showed you. What we'd be looking for is a new higher high in price, but we find some underlying bearish divergence. Let's actually go ahead in real time and do that now. I'm going to remove this volume indicator. What I'll do is actually make it a lot smaller, so just get it out the way. Let's actually make this charting platform or chart a little bit bigger. It's really easy to do on WEEX, so let's do that. There we go. Now let's go ahead and add the MACD indicator. MACD indicator. Add that to the chart. As I showed you initially, well, we're right now on the 30-minute and we don't have any data from the MACD, so we're going to need to move down timeframes. We'll move down one time frame to the 15-minute. And we'll see, okay, there's not enough data. And now we can move down to the 5-minute time frame. I wouldn't really move down less than the 5-minute time frame because it's going to be really hard to actually notice when this divergence happens. So what I'd be waiting for right now in this trading pattern is for price to continuously make new all-time highs, but then for the MACD histogram to initially flick down, move into the red zone, and once we move back into the green and make a new price all-time high, I'd want to see a lower high in the MACD histogram as I showed you in the last example. And for example, if we did see, say that we did see this downturn and then the MACD made a new higher high in this overall histogram, then that would actually signal that price could go a lot higher and we should wait for a short because we need to wait for that bearish divergence or some type of divergence or signal to show us that, okay, now is a good time to get into our short. Now the overall underlying strength of the coin is really weakening. So this is really how I'm making money trading meme coins right now. As I showed you, the statistics for meme coins have been slowly trending down. And this is the way that I'm still able to print money every single day. Don't forget to check out the link for WEEX in this video description. Get that $30,000 welcome bonus. And it's a no KYC exchange. If you have enjoyed, smash the like, tap the notification bell, leave a comment, and smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.